Dr. Rose with Natural Transplants, and we're following up with Scott at his 1 year post-procedure. And wow, look at this hair. I had a jaw-dropping moment. How are you doing?
Like you said, look at this hair. I'm beyond ecstatic, thrilled, and I think I'm 30 years old again, so you can't beat that. Come on.
I think you look it, so I'm with you.
Very, very happy. Great, great work. I thought it was going to be coming in pretty well, but after the year, I'm more impressed every day after this 12 months. It's hard to believe. It's a major, major difference for me.
I'm so happy for you. And you even just got a haircut, so I can't even imagine how much thicker, longer, and all that. So we'll have to follow up with you again, but it looks fantastic. Tell us a little bit about your history in case, some other patients might have gone through it. You had a procedure prior, I believe.
Yes, I did it's been about 4 years now, but I hit about 50, and I was in a relationship with some kids, and kids can be brutally honest. And he said, Scott, you're bald. I'm like, I'm not bald. I had hair, but they saw what I didn't see, and then all of a sudden I said, you know what, it's time to get something done here. The first procedure I was okay with. The second procedure, which you did, is leaps and bounds from where I was a few years ago. And again, I couldn't be more happier.
Awesome. Okay, so let me have you just turn to the right and hold it. And we're going to show some befores. So natural. Love the hairline. Okay, let me see the other side and hold it. All right. And then look down for me, last view, and hold it. Incredible. All right. Well, Scott, I know this isn't the last that we'll be seeing each other, but I hope you enjoy this hair because, it looks great and with the confidence that comes with it, right? Tell us a little bit about that.
Well, yeah, I was always a confident man, but when you can control certain parts of your life, you control your mind, you control your body, but I couldn't control my hairline. And when I started losing that, it took a beating on my ego, not just regarding the opposite sex, but in business as well. I lost a little bit of a certain, when I walk in a room, I didn't feel as strong anymore and confident when I would kind of saunter in where I can, I felt like $1 million. I felt like about $100. Now I feel like $1 billion because you took back this, I couldn't control this aging thing and you reversed it. And it's natural. I'm using a brush again. It's like, you got to be kidding me. I'm out there jogging in it and I'm sweating it. My hair's rolling down my face. I'm going to have hair in my eyes now again. So it's nice to be 30 years old again. And I'm 56 years old. So thank you very much.
It's my absolute pleasure. This is what I love to do, and I love seeing these results. And that is the beauty of it. This is your hair. Whoever would have thought that you could just move a follicle from one position to another and it would grow and thrive. It's remarkable how we're using the body. And thank you for being so candid with how it's impacted your life.
Certainly, and it's again emotionally and physically, that combination. If you're feeling 100%, nothing can beat it. So thank you guys. You and your team did a fantastic job. I was beyond impressed with you, and you will see me again. Definitely.
Awesome. All right, thanks so much.
Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.